Welcome to the cutting edge of farming technology, where machines and tools are revolutionizing the agriculture as we know it. So get ready to witness the incredible innovations that are taking the modern farming at another level. So let's get started. First of all, see this amazing tool to pluck vegetables and cut the unwanted branches. This robotic machine is of very modern technology. It automatically recognizes ripe fruits and pluck them. By using this amazing tool, we can cut the crops very fastly. This tool has a very sharp rotating blade which is used to cut the crops. Corals can be extracted very easily by using this amazing machine. Collecting of fruits can be so easy by using this amazing bag. This tool is invented for cutting the unwanted weeds. Its blade is very sharp which can cut all the weeds in only few seconds. Small and easy to controllable machine for plowing the field. This machine is run on the crops and then this machine harvests all the crops at once. This girl is spraying the fertilizer on the crops and the plants very easily by using this very amazing tool. If irrigation has to be done in the field through the pipe, then this tool doesn't allow the pipe to be bent. The pipe can be taken at anywhere by putting it in this tool. All types of the crops can be cut very easily by this amazing tool. Automatically binding of green vegetables. This tool is very useful for cracking the walnuts. With the help of this small plastic tool, we can easily hang the branches of the plants where we want. This machine can single-handedly complete the work of many farmers. Just put small plants inside this machine and this machine plants these plants automatically. This tool is used to loosen the soil in the small fields. Crops can be harvested and collected very easily by using this small and creative tool. Plastic sheet is accumulated on the field for better result in the farming. Very effective manner to harvest and collect the flowers from the field. This person will never get tired of standing. It is very useful tool for plucking the vegetables. Papers can be easily binded anywhere by using this amazing tool. This man discovers a very creative way to watering the plants. He filled waters in his buckets and then start his work. Plants are put inside this machine and after that this machine plants all the plants in the ground very easily. It can pick up any haystack from anywhere and put it where you want. Planting of rice plants in the field. This tool is used for collecting the blueberries. Harvesting and cutting of green vegetables by using this amazing machine. Very quick cutting of the plants. This machine does planting very accurately and very quickly. Cotton is loaded into the vehicle by using this amazing technology. Wheat is being sprayed here by using this amazing tool to dry. This machine can dig and hole into the ground very easily. Unwanted weeds can be removed very easily by using this very amazing tool. In this manner, we can do planting very quickly. Crops can also be harvested by using this small machine instead of using big machines. By using this technique, plants can be planted in a very straight line and similar gaps between them. Small tool for removing small unwanted plants. This is very efficient way to irrigate the plants. Another machine to do planting very quickly and very efficiently. All the fruits from any tree can be collected very easily at once by using this amazing machine. This is an electric tool which is used to cut the grass. This tool is put in the branches of the trees for better growth of the tree. Very beautiful grass is lined up by using this tool. This blade is very strong and sharp for cutting the red wood. We can carry out the water from the coconut at the tree. This is very big farm, so these tracks are very important for transporting the vegetables and fruits. The hay matters are put inside this trolley through the machine. This machine simultaneously harvests the rice crop and also makes bundle of it. Fertilizer can be applied to many lines of the plants in one go. The grains lying on the ground can be easily collected by this machine. This small tool is very useful. This tool has a very sharp blade rotating at very high speed, which is used to cut the unwanted pesticides around the crop. This tool has been invented to drive away the birds from the field. Removing of unwanted plants. These cranes can take you to the place where there are fruits on the trees, so that you can easily pluck them. This machine is very capable to harvest all the crops in only one time. In this way, by making holes in the ground, plants can easily be planted in them very well. This machine works to blow away the thorns around the field. Grains can easily be lifted and then collected by using this amazing machine. Applying the fertilizer on the plants. This machine works to peel the skin of sugarcane. This very big machine is used in the plains, which can cut a lot of grass in one area. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, then please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye, take care, meet you in the next video.